Assalamualaikum students. Today we are going to discuss comparing fractions with different denominators, ordering fractions and simplification of fractions to the lowest term. Dear students, if two fractions have different denominators, convert both fractions into their respective equivalent fractions with the common denominator. Example: which has a lesser value, 2 by 3 or 3 by 4. First we will make the denominator same. We will make the denominator same through LCM or through equivalent fraction. So we will make the denominator same through LCM. So find out the LCM of 3 and 4. Now 12 as the common denominator. First fraction 2 by 3 we will multiply by 4 both numerator and denominator. 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8 and 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. And now the second fraction is 3 by 4. We will multiply by 3. We will multiply by 3 both numerator and denominator. 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9 and 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. So dear students, now look, both fractions have same denominator. Now we will compare the numerators. 9 is greater than 8. So 8 by 12 is less than 9 by 12. 8 by 12 represented 2 by 3 and 9 by 12 represented 3 by 4. Therefore 2 by 3 is less than 3 by 4. Now we read from book. Look at this pair of unlike fractions 3 by 4 and 5 by 8. Their denominators are different and so are their numerators. How can we compare them? Let us look more closely at the two denominators 3 by 4 and 5 by 8. We know that the LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. Let's check. Now 3 by 4 and 5 by 8. Now we find the LCM of 4 and 8. So the 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So the prime factors of 4 are 2 into 2 and prime factors of 8 are 2 into 2 into 2. Now the common factor is 2 and 2. Dear students, you already know that the formula of LCM. LCM is equal to common factors multiplied by non-common factors. So the LCM is common factors multiplied by non-common factors. So the common factor are 2 into 2 and non-common factors 2. Now we will multiply all these numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So the LCM is 8. So the LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. So let us change 3 by 4 into an equivalent fraction with denominator 8. Now dear students, we will multiply by 2 both numerators and denominator. So 3 by 4 we have to multiply by 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. Now 6 by 8 and 5 by 8. Now dear student, look, both denominators are same. Now we will compare the numerators. 6 is greater than 5. Yes. So 6 by 8 is greater than 5 by 8. Arranging fraction in order. To arrange fractions in order, convert the given fraction into equivalent fraction with the common denominator and then compare the numerators. So Example is arrange 3 by 4, 5 by 6 and 2 by 3 in increasing order. Increasing order means ascending orders. So the solution is, dear students, अब यहाँ पे इन्होंने जो डिनोमिनेटर्स हैं तीनों उनका इकट्ठा एलसीएम ले लिया है. हम लोग इसको सेपरेट भी ले सकते हैं. सो द एलसीएम इज 12. Now the first fraction 3 by 4 we will multiply by 3 both numerator and denominator by 3. 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Now the second fraction 5 by 6 we will multiply by 2 both numerator and denominator. 5 2s are 10 and 6 2s are 12. And the third fraction is 2 by 3. We will multiply by 4. 2 4s are 8 and 3 4s are 12. So the fraction arranged in increasing order are 2 by 3, 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Dear students, look, 9 by 12, 10 by 12 and 8 by 12. Denominators are same. Now we will check the numerators. We already know that ascending order means lower to higher. So 8 by 12, 9 by 12 and 10 by 12. 8 by 12 represented 2 by 3 and 9 by 12 represented 3 by 4 and 10 by 12 represented by 5 by 6. Dear students, could you arrange 7 by 12, 5 by 8 and 4 by 9 in a decreasing order? Decreasing order means descending orders. Now read from the book Ordering Fraction, Arranging Fractions in Ascending and Descending Order. Dear students, we have also ordered fraction in the previous page number 49. We have arranged them in ascending and descending orders. Let's revise this again. Example, arrange the following fraction in A. Ascending order, B. Descending order. So the example is 3 by 5, 7 by 10 and 9 by 20. So the example is 3 by 5, 7 by 10 and 9 by 20. Dear students, first we will make the denominator same through LCM. So we will find the LCM of 5, 10 and 20. 5 1s are 5, 10, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5 and 20. 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. Now the prime factors of 5 are 5 and the prime factors of 10 are 2 into 5 and the prime factors of 20 2 into 2 into 5. So the common factor is 5 and 2. So the formula of LCM you guys already know. LCM is equal to common factors multiplied by non-common factors. So the common factor is 5 into 2 and non-common factor is 2. Now we will multiply all these values. 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. So the LCM is 20. LCM is 20. अब हम लोग इन फ्रैक्शंस के डिनोमिनेटर सेम करेंगे. So first fraction is 3 by 5. Now we will multiply by 4 by both numerator and denominator. 3 4s are 12 and 5 4s are 20. And the second fraction is 7 by 10. We will multiply by 2 both numerator and denominator. 7 2s are 14 and 10 2s are 20. Dear students, now the third fraction denominator is 20. So and the LCM is 20. So 9 by 20 will remain the same. Now 12 by 20, 14 by 20 and 9 by 20. Dear students, look, denominators are same. Now we will check the numerators. So in ascending orders, we know that ascending orders mean lowest to highest. So denominators are same. Now the lowest numerator is 9. By 20, then 12 by 20, then 14 by 20. 9 by 20 as it is आ जाएगा. Now 12 by 20 represented 3 by 5 and 14 by 20 represented 7 by 10. Now dear students, in descending orders we know that descending orders mean highest to lowest. So 14 by denominators are same. Now we will check the numerators. So the bigger numerator is 14. So in descending order, 14 by 20, then 12 by 20, then 9 by 20. 14 by 20 represented 7 by 10. And 12 by 20 represented 3 by 5. And 9 by 20 same. 9 by 20. In descending order. Simplification of fraction to the lowest term. To simplify a fraction to its lowest term, divide the numerator and denominator of the fraction by their HCF. Dear students, to reduce a fraction to its lowest term, first we need to find out the HCF of both numerator and denominator. Then divide both numerator or denominator with that number. So the example is, simplify the following fraction to their lowest term, 12 by 18. First of all, we will find the HCF of 12 and 18. We will find the common factors. यहाँ पे हमने वो कॉमन फैक्टर लेना है जिसके 12 और 18 जिस टेबल में आ रहे हो, ठीक है. तो 6 के टेबल में 12 एंड 18 आता है हमारे पास. 6 2 ज़ा 12, 6 3 ज़ा 18. So the HCF of 12 and 18 is 6. So 12 and 18, we will divide the numerator. We will divide the numerator and denominator by the HCF. So the HCF is 6. So we will divide 18 and 12 and 18 by 6. So 6 2 ज़ा 12 and 6 3 ज़ा 18. Now dear students, look, 2 by 3. 2 और 3 का कोई और कॉमन फर्दर डिवाइड नहीं हो सकते, ठीक है. तो 2 by 3 हमारे पास लोएस्ट टर्म होगी. 12 by 18 की लोएस्ट टर्म हमारे पास 2 by 3 है. Now read from the book. Simplification of fractions to the lowest term. The fractions 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6 and 4 by 8 are all equivalent fractions. But the fraction 1 by 2 is in its simplest form. Its numerator and denominator cannot be made any smaller. A fraction where the numerator and denominator cannot be reduced any further, it's said to be the fraction in its lowest term. To find out whether a fraction is in its lowest term, remember the common factors HCF and test of divisibility. Example, reduce 40 by 72 to its lowest form. A. By the set of divisibility, we established that the numerator and the denominator can be divided by 8. B. By prime factorization, we know that the HCF of 40 and 72 is 8. Now let's check. We will find the HCF of 40 and 72. First, we will make the factors of 40 and 72. 40 and 72. 2 2s are 4, 0. 2 1s are 2, 2 10s are 20. 2 5s are 10. 5 1s are 5. 2 3s are 6. 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Now the prime factors of 40 are prime factors of 40, 2 into 2 into 2 into 5, and prime factors of 72 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. We will find the common factors of 40 and 72. 2, 2 and 2. So the common factors 2 into 2 into 2. Now we will multiply all these numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So HCF of 40 and 72 is 8. Now we will divide 40 and 72. We will divide both numerator and denominator by 8. 8 5s are 40, 8 9s are 72. So 5 by 9 is in its lowest